Hello everybody, Woodblader1212 here. My 15th video spectacular, and I'm going to show you my elite Decepticon Earth team in my world, okay? Scourge, check out his hand, awesome. Number 2, medical specialist, Razor, oh yeah, Scourge's commander. Him, Devastation, yeah, it's a Hammers, yeah, and he is a Decepticon. Him, Tanker, tell by the gold. Him, Tanker's brother, Gunner, tell by the yellow. Him, Sidecry, yeah. Him, his Autobot childhood was he hated it, and now he's a Decepticon. Speed Trap. I'm gonna do a review on him, by the way. Him, Nails. Him, Decepticon Double Blade. Him, leader of the newcomers, Minosaur. Him, Stinger, custom. Him, Ravage, yeah. No, Fist. Him, Double Spy. Friction and Friction, real Decepticon name. Autobot name is Autobot Power Plug. Him. Let's call him Crane. Him, Dirt Boss. I'm gonna do a review on him, by the way. I customized his vehicle mode, and it is awesome. Now let me show you my set. I got some buildings here and lined up. And a big gap where Omega Payload hides his trailer. I got another building, garage, diners. Big building, another big building, show building, toy store, tower, mall, and this is a greenhouse, yeah. And back here, skyscrapers, yeah, another one over there. And I got some more buildings back here, and it is awesome. Oh, there's Liger. Go Liger, go Liger, yeah. Okay, and that is it. Bye bye.